Have you ever looked at your laptop charger, noticed that weird little cylinder near the cable, and wondered, what is that thing even for? Most people never question it. It's just there, a random lump on the wire, easy to ignore. But what if I told you that tiny cylinder is quietly preventing your electronics from malfunctioning every single second? Because without it, your charger could interfere with Wi-Fi, speakers, monitors, even your entire laptop. And in some cases, it can stop devices from working properly at all. It sounds ridiculous. How could one tiny bump on a cable matter that much? Your charger already converts power. The cable already carries electricity. So why add an extra piece? Because electricity doesn't travel cleanly, not even close. Your charger cable is secretly acting like an antenna. Every time electricity flows through a wire, it creates electromagnetic fields. Normally, that's harmless, but laptop chargers operate at extremely high switching frequencies, often tens or hundreds of thousands of times per second. And those rapid electrical pulses create something engineers hate: electrical noise, tiny bursts of unwanted electromagnetic interference, also known as EMI. Here's the problem. That interference doesn't stay inside the charger. The cable itself can radiate those signals outward, like a miniature radio transmitter, not intentionally, but physically. And once that happens, the noise can interfere with nearby electronics. Speakers start buzzing, screens flicker, Wi-Fi signals weaken, audio systems hiss. In extreme cases, sensitive electronics can even malfunction. And now imagine this happening inside a crowded office. Dozens of laptops, dozens of chargers, dozens of cables radiating electromagnetic noise at the same time. Without protection, it would become an invisible storm of interference. And this isn't just theoretical. Poorly shielded electronics have caused real-world problems in everything from hospitals to aircraft systems. So what does the weird cylinder actually do? It's called a ferrite bead. Ferrite bead. And despite looking simple, it's incredibly clever. Inside that cylinder is a magnetic material called ferrite. When high-frequency electrical noise tries to travel through the cable, the ferrite absorbs and suppresses it. Not the useful power, just the unwanted interference. It's basically a noise filter for electricity. The important electrical current passes through normally, but the chaotic high-frequency signals, they get weakened, converted into tiny amounts of heat, and stopped before they can spread into the environment. And here's what makes this fascinating. Without ferrite beads, many electronic devices would actually fail government electromagnetic regulations. That tiny cylinder helps products pass strict international standards for electronic interference. In other words, that weird bump isn't optional decoration. It's one of the reasons your electronics are legally allowed to be sold. According to the Federal Communications Commission and international EMC standards, electronic devices must limit the amount of electromagnetic interference they emit, because too much interference creates chaos. Not visible chaos, invisible chaos, signals colliding with other signals, devices disrupting other devices. And here's the part most people never realize. Modern life only works because engineers constantly fight invisible noise. Your phone, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth headphones, your laptop, all operating simultaneously, without collapsing into interference. And tiny components like ferrite beads are part of the reason that's possible. Now imagine removing that cylinder entirely. Maybe nothing obvious happens immediately. Or maybe your speakers start crackling, your monitor glitches, your wireless mouse stutters. Because the noise that was being trapped is now escaping freely. And this is why you'll find ferrite cylinders everywhere: laptop chargers, HDMI cables, printer cables, monitor wires, even expensive audio equipment. Because the faster electronics become, the more interference they generate, and the more important suppression becomes. But here's the final twist. That little cylinder is solving a problem you can't even see. No sparks, no warning lights, no obvious failure, just invisible electromagnetic pollution, quietly controlled by a tiny magnetic filter most people never notice. So the next time you pick up your charger and see that strange cylinder near the cable, you'll know it's not there by accident. It's protecting your devices from an invisible problem happening all around you, every second. And chargers aren't the only everyday objects hiding surprisingly advanced engineering. There's another tiny component most people see constantly, without ever realizing it prevents a completely different kind of disaster.